How to make your political views private on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your political views private on Facebook Mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings. And now go down and click profile information and then go to basic info and click edit, and here you will find this one, political views. Click on this one here and click more options and click only for me and click save, or you can make it just for your friends. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.